Hey you guys, it's your boy Nancy K Supreme and I'm back with another YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and if you're a no-time subscriber, well, welcome back. Today's tutorial what we're going to be using is the Waveformers by Hairflair. They were nice enough to send me 2 sets of these, 1 and 2. I did try recording this video once before, only using one of the sets, and I found that my hair was way too thick, way too full. So if you have hair like mine that is thick and full and, you know, tightly coiled and all that jazz, you might want to go ahead and purchase 2 of these. They were nice enough to send me both of them, so big shout out to them. They also sent me their styling cream, which is Hold, and is an extra holding styling cream, which is pretty good. So if you guys seen my last video as far as curl formers, you kind of have an idea of what's in store. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So now that my hair is damp, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair using Camille Rose Moisture Milk. This is what it looks like for those who don't know. So first I'm just going to start by applying the product and then detangling my hair. This is just going to help get my hair through the waveformers a little bit easier. Now you just want to take your hook and put it together. And you're going to take your waveformers. You're going to have 2 different ones, one with a blue strip and one without, and you're going to place these on opposite sides of your head. Now I'm going to be taking some of their styling cream and just applying that to my hair as well. So to install the waveformer, it's just like the curl formers. You're going to place the hook through the waveformer, twist your hair at the roots, and then pull it through. Here I am just showing you guys one more time how to do it. And once more, be aware that the waveformer is a little bit longer. So a tip that I have is to scrunch everything towards the hook. This way you can get a little bit more leverage. About halfway done. This is one set on one side. So I did go ahead and add a little bit of Wetline Extreme Gel as well, just to help define everything, because what I noticed about the styling cream that they sent me is that it wasn't doing a well enough job like holding everything together. I'm really used to like my hair clumping together, and I also noticed by adding this adds a little bit more slip, so it helps get everything through these waveformers a little bit easier. So yeah, that's what I did. I'm gonna go finish the other half of my head, and this is kind of heavy, I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Still got a lot to go. I'll see you when I see you, my darlings. Okay, you guys, so I am finished. I have everything in, and I'm just going to sleep with them overnight. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and we're just going to go ahead and take these down. Hopefully they are dry because, you know, I slept with them in overnight. Let's just see. All right, they seem pretty dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest out. So now I'm just taking these out, and my initial reaction is that they did a pretty good job of curling my hair, but they definitely are a lot looser than the curl formers. I also recommend that you do this on blow dried hair to get a more seamless look. All right, now I'm gonna start by separating them. I'm just gonna take a little bit of oil. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX, and this is one of my favorite oils. It makes your hair really soft and shiny. So while I was separating my hair out, I definitely went through and used a comb and a pick just to help give my hair a little bit more volume. And this is the finished product. My hair definitely had a lot of volume, and it was super bouncy and big and huge, and that's the kind of thing that I like. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and this is the finished look. Overall, I think it came out pretty cute. I really do like having the looser kind of waves, kind of curls, without having to like really go ahead and like blow dry my hair out. But I definitely do think that like if you want to get like a really seamless look, what I did notice about these versus the curl formers was that there are pieces of my hair that are still kind of like crimped from my own like curl pattern. So if you do want to get rid of that, I think probably using like a mousse or like blow drying your hair out really well first and then doing this is probably going to be your best bet. Even like if you're going from like straight to curly, this is probably like a good in-between look because it definitely is really cute. But yeah, it's definitely a 10 out of 10, you guys, because I look bomb. Like I look like I should be going to like a 70s groovy party, you know what I'm saying? Groovy. Groovy. So freaking groovy. All right, you guys, this is your boy Nas, aka Supreme. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and another big shout out to Hairflair. Mwah.